Hello and welcome to Suresh Agarwal's Reasoning Mantra. In this video, we are going to discuss classification, and basically the questions in this video will be based on type 1, that is word classification. So how can we classify words? Generally, the questions that we come across based on this topic are finding the odd one out. So let's have a look at the first question now. You can see on your screen there are two questions in which there are four options each which are given, and you have to choose the odd one out. So basically what are we supposed to do here? We are supposed to find out the odd word from the four words that are given to us. So eyes, ears, nose and vestibular. If you look at this, eyes, ears and nose, they are all sense organs, whereas vestibular is not a sense organ. It is indeed an internal part of the ear. So that is why we choose vestibular as the answer here. In the second question, again, it's a previous year question from the SSC exams. Question number 1 was also a previous year from the SSC exams. Gallon, ton, quintal and kilogram. So if you look at this carefully, we find that ton, quintal and kilogram, they are all used for measuring the solids mass, whereas gallon is related to the measurement of liquids. So that is why we choose gallon as the answer here. The third question is a previous year question from the SSC 2014 exams. You can see there are names of four organisms given to you here: chameleon, crocodile, alligator and locust. So chameleon, crocodile and alligator, these three are all reptiles, whereas locust is not. So that means the locust is the odd one out here. So we go with option D as the answer. Now in the fourth question, there is a slight difference in the type of questions. Now there are two words given for each option, and there is a relation between the first word and the second word, and we have to find out that set of words which does not have a similar relation as the other four options given here. So let's discuss this in detail. The first option says petrol and car. We all know that a car uses petrol to work. The second option says electricity and television. Similarly, a television works on electricity. So that means the relation between option A and option B is the same. Ink and paper. Yes, ink is used to write on a paper. So the relation again will be the same. Dust and vacuum cleaner. So this sounds to be a bit strange because a vacuum cleaner is used to clean dust. So the relation is different here. And pen and paper, again, we use a pen to write on paper. So the relation is same. So the correct answer here would be option D, that is dust and vacuum cleaner. Similarly, in the fifth question, there are four options given to you. Light and heavy. So these are opposites or antonyms. Crime and blame. Crime and blame is something different from light and heavy. Let us check with the other three options as well. Short and long, these are also antonyms. Man and woman, these are also antonyms. So basically the words given to us here, the relation between the words are that the words are basically the opposites of each other, whereas in crime and blame, they are not the opposites. So we go with option B as the correct answer. In the sixth question, again, it's a relation between the animals and their sounds. So a lion roars, obviously that's correct. A snake makes a hiss sound, that is also correct. Bees make a humming sound, that is also correct. Now, do the frogs bleat? No, the frogs, they croak. So this is the odd one out, it seems over here. And a dog barks, yes. So basically all the animal sounds are correct other than D. So option D will be the odd one out here, and this is going to be the answer to this particular question. So you can expect such type of questions in all competitive exams, especially the SSC exams, banking, CDS, LIC, UPSC and many more, wherever classification is a part of the syllabus. So I hope you found this video useful. If yes, do subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching this, and join me soon for the second part of the same topic, that is classification, coming up shortly.